First, change your sequence settings to 1080 by 1920. Scale the video to your liking. Go to Workspaces and click Captions and Graphics. Go to Text and click Create New Caption Track. Click Add New Caption Segment, change the text, and change the font and the size of your text to your liking. Also change the shadows to your liking. Reposition your text. To make another title, hold Option and drag the subtitle to make another one. And change the text. To make the text space bigger, change this. Also, if you got too much text in one text segment, cut the text in half and split the text in 2 parts. To change the color of one word, double-click the text and select the part you want to change the color of. And go to Fill and change the color to your liking. Boom, and you are done. When you export, make sure you select Match Source to export it as a vertical video, and make sure to burn the captions in the video.